Alright guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a database through your direct admin or through your cPanel. So now to create a database in your direct admin, as in your web hosting account. So if you need a web hosting account, you can see the link I will leave in the description below on how to get a web hosting account, or you contact me directly. Now to create a MySQL database through your direct admin, first, this is the interface of the login of your direct admin. Go ahead and fill in your login details and click on sign in. So now this is the dashboard of your web hosting account. So now what I am about to do today is to show you how to create a MySQL database through your direct admin. So almost in every web hosting account, that is what is called phpmyadmin, which is interconnected with your MySQL management. So the database will be created under MySQL, okay? So now that you have logged into your web hosting account, so from here on your dashboard, just hover your mouse over the menu icon here. So navigate on Account Manager and expand it. Then come down and click on MySQL Management. So now on this page, come here at the right corner here and click on Create New Database. So give your database a name. So let's say I am creating this database for the contact page I have on my website, where people can fill in their name, subject, and the body of the message, okay? So now I want to be able to create a database that will receive the input that the person fills in through that my contact page. So here, you give your database a name. So I'm going to say, for the sake of this tutorial, for example, contacts underscore database. So we are going to give our database user also a name. So, but before you do that, make sure you uncheck this, so you can be able to give it a name. If not, it's going to use the same name. So I'm going to say this one is contact underscore user. So in full, it's going to be the name of your website underscore contact underscore database, or whatever you give as the name of your database. But I will suggest, both in database name and the database username, that you come up with a complicated name because of hackers, okay? So now after that, come down on the database password and come up with a password. And also I advise that you come up with a password that will be hard for somebody to guess, okay? So now in full, it's going to be your name underscore contact underscore database, which is the name of your database, and your database username is going to be your website name underscore contact underscore user, okay? So after that is done, click on create database. So now your database has been created. Make sure you copy this and save it somewhere, okay? So I'm going to copy mine now and save it in a plain sheet, okay? Because if you lose it, you lose access to your database. So now you have created a database through your direct admin here on your MySQL management. So now that you have done that, so now we are going to log on to our phpmyadmin so that we can be able to access this database we created, or maybe create a table in it, okay, as it's supposed to be. But we are not going to create a table in this tutorial. It will be in the next tutorial, okay? So now we are going to access our database through phpmyadmin. So when we log on there, you will see the name of your database, okay? The one you have just created now. So now hover your mouse over this menu icon. Then navigate down to extra features and expand it. So now come down and click on phpmyadmin. So you're going to log on with your username and your password. So this username and password is not the one you created in MySQL now. No, but is the username and password you use in logging in to your web hosting account. So you just have to fill in your username and your password, then hit on sign in. So now, welcome to phpmyadmin. So from here, you can be able to access your database. So as you can see, the database we have just created, Sabiman underscore contact underscore database. So now with time, if you have more database, you will see them line up here under each other, okay? So now to access this database, you click on it. So here now on this next page, so this is where you will be creating tables for your database. So for example, to create a table that will have the columns that will contain the inputs that somebody is typing in or whatever somebody is filling in. For example, name, email address, subject line, or the body message of your contact us page. So now you're going to go ahead and click on here to start creating table for your database. But that will be the topic of the next tutorial, which is to show you how to create tables in your database through your phpmyadmin. Okay, so with that being said, that brings us to the end of this video today. So if you like this video, please comment down, like and share this video so that YouTube and Facebook can recommend this video to someone else who have interest in knowing how to create a database through your direct admin or through your cPanel. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across my video or across my channel, please consider to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that anytime I upload video tips like this, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, so until then, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next videos.